You've undoubtedly already heard the hype and the reality surrounding the advantages of eating less meat for your health. Indeed, those who follow a vegan or vegetarian diet often have lower rates of heart disease, type 2 diabetes, high blood pressure, and some types of cancer, such as breast and prostate cancer, and obesity. Of course, vegetarians often lead healthier lifestyles overall, and further study is required to determine which advantages are attributable to food and which are instead the result of other elements like exercise. But how would your mind and body respond if you cut back on your meat consumption or quit eating it altogether, particularly if you've done so your entire life? Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we will be discussing 6 things that happen to your body when you stop eating meat. Before we begin, be sure to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and share the video to help get more views. 1. Reduce inflammation in your body. If you regularly consume meat, dairy, and highly processed meals, there is a good likelihood that your body has heightened levels of inflammation. Inflammation that lasts for a few days or weeks is not natural or required, whereas inflammation that lasts for months or years is. Atherosclerosis, heart attacks, strokes, diabetes, and autoimmune illnesses are a few more conditions that have been connected to chronic inflammation. Contrarily, plant-based diets are naturally anti-inflammatory due to their high fiber, antioxidant, and other phytonutrient content, as well as their lower levels of inflammatory triggers like saturated fat and endotoxins. According to studies, those who follow a vegetarian or vegan diet can significantly reduce their levels of C-reactive protein, CRP, a marker of cellular inflammation. 2. Energy lose. If you stop eating meat, you could experience fatigue and sluggishness. That's because you're lacking a crucial source of iron and protein, both of which are necessary for supplying you with energy. Meat is the food that the body gets the most iron from, but it's not your only option. It can also be found in iron-rich cereal, bread, pasta, and green, leafy vegetables like spinach. Eggs, beans, peas, lentils, nuts, seeds, and soy products are good sources of protein. 3. Give your microbiome a makeover. The microbiome refers to the billions of microbes that reside inside of us. These microbes are increasingly understood to be essential to our overall health since they not only aid in food digestion but also manufacture vital nutrients, hone our immune systems, regulate gene expression, maintain the quality of our gut tissue, and aid in cancer prevention. They also appear to contribute to obesity, diabetes, atherosclerosis, autoimmune disorders, inflammatory bowel diseases, and liver disorders. According to studies, plant foods aid in establishing a balanced gut microbiota. The friendly bacteria in our guts grow more quickly thanks to the fiber in plant-based diets. On the other side, diets low in fiber, such as those high in dairy, eggs, and meat, may promote the development of disease-causing bacteria. 4. Reduce your chance of getting type 2 diabetes. Numerous studies have demonstrated that animal protein, particularly red and processed meat, increases the risk of type 2 diabetes. Over a 17-year period, eating meat at least thrice a week elevated the risk of diabetes by 74%. Similarly, increasing daily red meat consumption by more than half a serving was linked to a 48% higher risk of developing diabetes over 4 years in the health professionals' follow-up study and nurses' health study. Why might eating meat lead to type 2 diabetes? For several reasons, including the fact that animal fat, animal-based, heme, iron, and meat's nitrate preservatives have been shown to harm pancreatic cells, exacerbate inflammation, lead to weight gain, and affect how insulin works. 5. You may need supplements. You may be deficient in vital vitamins and minerals if you consume little or no meat and only a little amount of plants. Vitamin B12, which is only present in foods derived from animals, iron, calcium, and vitamins A, B, and D can all be increased with supplements. Consult your doctor about the best vitamins for you. 6. Lower cholesterol. You can lower bad or LDL cholesterol in your blood by limiting foods high in saturated fat, particularly meat. According to experts, fewer than 10% of your daily calories should come from saturated fats. Try leaner, skinless cuts of beef if your want persists. That's it for today, folks. If we left out other things that can happen to your body when you stop eating meat, kindly share them with us in the comments. Bye for now.